Alright, hi guys. So today we are going to be doing a prank.
Jason?
A water bottle prank. It's actually with a spray bottle. But you're going to be needing a spray bottle and a fake sneeze. We're gonna act like we sneeze. And when we walk by the person, we'll be like, achoo, and they'll freak. I did it to my dad. But I told him I was doing my hair, but I actually wasn't. I was just trying to prank him. But since he knew I had a water bottle, he knew it was from that. But he did say, Taitum. And I was like, sorry, I sneezed. And he was like, it's a water bottle. And I was like, no, it wasn't. But, let's go prank him. Wait, I think my someone's going to the bathroom. Let's see. So, you have to kind of do this. Here, let me set you up right there. Do this like, and have it right here. So like, and you go like, and sneeze it, and then yeah.
You want to write your song?
Yeah, a minute, and then hold it right here, so they don't notice. Dad, can I try this prank on you and show them?
Sure.
Okay, so.
Got to have my shirt on or off?
I don't know, as long as I can spray you. Okay, you ready?
Can I wash your hands?
Dad. Waste. It's a waste of trees. Use a towel.
Oh, I see.
Ready? So act like you're just standing right here. I did this on him already, guys, so, you know, he knows. Okay, just do it right here, please.
Right.
Right here. Yeah, there you go. Phew! And walk away. It's disgusting, but super cool.
You got me in the bathroom earlier.
I know, I want to show him how it looks, how it actually, like, just...
That's like walk the prank.
It is. If you haven't seen that and you don't know what he's talking about, it's a prank
Check it
show.
out.
It's called Walk the Prank. I'm doing a YouTube video. Dad, stop.
Sorry.
That's weird. Now,
Well, turn it off.
no. I'm going to mess up the video. I'm going to do it on Meredith.
Stop taking video.
I'm going to video you. I'm just kidding. It's the other
Turn the
one.
AC on. Oh no. Never mind.
No. You,
Because the windows are up. It's okay.
how many times do I have to walk back and forth?
Take.
What? I sneeze.
I didn't hear you.
Right, okay. Wait. She's almost out, guys. I'm gonna set this up. She'll be so surprised. Let's see. Does this work? Ow. Achoo. Yeah? Okay. Let's do this. Let's see. It's working. You can see. What can you see out here? One sec. Hey, Mary, will you come here, please? You're my attention.
Ooh. Sprayed. Ah, that was good though.
I thought she meant spray like with a water bottle, so I showed her. Guys, that didn't go very well. I mean, she kind of fell for it. She didn't really say like, ew. It kind of worked. Alright, so what to do? Oh, terrible at this. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell down below, and hit the subscribe button, and you are amazing. You are amazing either way, but I mean,